Okay, this is job number 20315. This is a second video to this project. The first video says 20314, but as I was typing into Workman's dashboard, it must have changed because Kelly was probably putting in another number or something. So anyways, I just realized it's 20315. This job's called Emerson Park Apartments, and I'm showing you the drawings right now. In the first video I showed you what it looked like out at the site, but what we're doing is we are taking this area right here, which there's an existing mailbox kiosk, and they're ripping out the kiosk, and we are going to rip out the concrete pad that's there and put in a new one. Let me take it to the next page. Okay, in my last video I was showing you this pad that was behind these parking stalls, and what they want to do is they want to take out 32 feet by 13 feet of existing concrete, and they want to leave the curbing that's set out in the front of it. They want to leave that curbing, but they want to take out 32 feet by I'm sorry, it's not 32 feet, it's 32 feet plus 3.5, so 35 feet 6 inches by 13 feet. They want to take that out, and then they also want to take out this little 3 foot by 6 inch piece. It's a 3 foot 6 by 3 foot 6. There's existing sidewalk that's right through here, and they're going to want to cut that out. And then what we need to do is put back a 13 foot by, what did I say, 35 foot 6 inch pad there, and then they also want to put in this little 3 foot 6 by 3 foot 6 panel right there as well. Let me find some more details here on that concrete, just a second. Okay, so this is what it looks like in the front. That existing curb is staying there, and then we are pouring this back, and you can see it's kind of crowned. There's going to be sonotubes set for their posts, and right now I'm leaving it up to them to get the sonotube set. They could work it out with me if they want to have us put the sonotubes in, but right now I'm going to leave it to them. Let me show you another detail. Okay, so right here there's going to be a ramp that's made, so that means this will be a tapered curb right here, because from here it slopes down to the asphalt. And I'll show you the detail here. So in the detail, if we were looking at this ramp that comes up, that's the level of the ramp coming from the asphalt, and then you've got this tapered edge, which that tapered edge says it's 4 inch, yeah, it's 4 inch right there. But here it shows a 6 inch with a 12 inch tapered edge there, so it's 12 inches, and then tapers up. Okay, so 12 inch taper, that's 6 inches wide, and then it tapers up to about 6 inches. It says 4 to 6 inches, but let's assume 6 inches there on that taper. And then this is the handrail that they're putting in. This ramp right here, you can see that it'll be about 6 inches across on the ramp here. So through here, this will be 6 inches. Okay. Over here on the side, we've got 6 foot 6 inches of curbing that we need to pour in. Trying to find a detail on that. I don't see it quite yet. But as it says right here, 6 foot 6 inches of new 6 inch wide by 4 inch tall concrete curbing. So we have to bring that back 6 foot 6 inches. The width of this is 3 foot 6 here. Okay. Another thing we need to do, so then the rest of this will all be a 6 inch pad. We need concrete, or excuse me, we need rebar that is 12 inches on center running through the whole pad. There's also 2 trench drains that are 6.5 feet long, and they need to be drilled out of the curbs here on the end, so that way there is a drainage pipe going out of there. I think it says here on note number 10, number 9, cut out existing curb required to install discharge pipe for trench drain. So we have to make sure we do that on those 2 ends. The other thing is there's 2 pipe bollards that are right there. Those pipe bollards are 4-inch diameter. They're 36-inch tall. They are powder coated, but they are colored dark gray. Let me show you the detail. Okay, so their specification came from Cal Pipe security bollards, and that's typically what they look like. They said they wanted them domed, and I see that they're not domed in this picture, but it's going to be model for this base plate carbon steel. It's going to be IBB 04040, 4-inch diameter. That's the pipe they want. That was the spec they gave. I would assume it's probably about the same price as Bollard Pros, but they want them dark gray, not yellow, to make sure we order them as dark gray. Okay? Okay, so to conclude on this, on the back side, they want a 12-inch wide band here on the outside, and they want it, let's see, 6-inch depth. I think comes out to 46 feet of wash rock. This wash rock is 1.5 inches wash rock. Like I said, they want a 6-inch depth. It's 1 foot wide, and the length there is 46 feet of it. Okay. Again, just want to remind you that we're leaving the curb out in the front, so we'll be cutting right behind it, taking out that concrete. I was talking to Joe. Joe said it'd probably take 2 days, 2 full days to do. 3 guys day 1, 3 guys day 2. Any other questions? Let me know. I believe it's just a broom finish on that concrete. Thanks a lot. Oh, wait. One more thing, just as a reminder. This is with International Building Investments. They're looking for a vendor like us who could go in and do asphalt and concrete. So we want to be, competitive on this because the work could happen this winter, and they've got more projects to do. All right, thanks.